The Content roadway in Williamsfield, Manchester is still impassable, with authorities pleading to motorists to stay clear. As for residents, several homes are currently underwater. Romardo Lyons has our story.
Many survived the strongest of winds they've ever felt, left breathless after they outran floodwaters, then took a sigh of relief at minimal damage, and were ready to forge ahead with repair works after Hurricane Melissa. But in Content District in Williamsfield, Manchester, the real damage came days after the system left for several residents.
So imagine you live in a house and after the storm and you think everything is good, you just look and you see water rising daily until you get to this level.
Land transformed into a pond of green, still water, as was the case in the area some years ago after heavy and consistent rainfall.
This is Content, just across from the Alcan Gates. I think this is the second time now or more this has happened. Not sure if a river passed through this property or not, but anytime the place is saturated with water, this happened.
As this man recalls,
You guys pass all night one day. Anytime storm comes, I'm not going to go on there. It's already enough.
These homes have been evacuated as underground water charts new heights day after day. On Saturday, this was the water level, creeping menacingly closer to the roadway, inching closer to ceilings, covering wall sockets, then getting to window level and higher. Now for these houses, only the roofs still feel the warmth of the sun. This one in particular sits in a pool of white paint.
Water cover up the people in house. It's just rising. It's rising.
Additional rainfall has made matters worse. Yellow tape marks danger, but it isn't a barrier. On the other side, traffic impeded as motorists forced to a single lane. The police have since urged motorists to use alternative routes where possible. On Monday, Mario Mitchell, councillor for the Belfield Division, made this plea.
I am here at Content, the water is here. Only for people want to drive through, especially the people with the taller vehicles. Please, I beg everybody for us, follow the thing. Please do not try to drive. There's a big drain on that side that carry the water off. I'm message a truck drive through it and a pickup drive through it. I beg the people, please, nobody try force to go across the water. It is dangerous. It is very, very dangerous. Please, I beg everybody, don't try to cross it.
But some, as seen here, put their engines to the test in wheel-deep water. Farther down the road, it's like a car show.
Even though we close off Content, it is an attraction, basically a tourist attraction. People are fascinated with it, so droves of people come here every day.
While outsiders come in droves, most residents have left. One resident says her neighbors fled the community as soon as they noticed the water rising.
4 people have to move out. Yeah.
From this house that we're looking at?
No, you have to move out from the one day and the next one over there. So. And then the house that they're right there, so now, then the people they move out to.
As she puts it, they were expecting it.
They didn't know say it always happen.
So how do you feel about this?
Right now, I'm going to go swim.
You want to swim?
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.